Nanonood ka Marvel?
Oo naman.
Sino yung favorite Avenger mo?
Si Iron Man.
Oh my god. It's Robert Downey Jr.
Ano Instagram mo?
Isobel.
Ano nga? Follow kita. Ay, kumanta ay! Kumanta.
Pag-clout lang, to naman.
Kalawaan!
Oo. Gusto mo pupunta Kalawakan? Oy. Hindi. Mali pala.
Tulog ka na nga. Alas 2 na.
Tulog ka na.
Matulog ka na.
Matulog ka.
Dali pa patulogin kita.
Sige. Kanta ka?
Hindi. Tatapikin ko lang yung braso mo.
Funny.
Given me memories of a life that's been loved. With the cat walls and cards and stuffed animals.
You should know there's beautiful girls all over the world. I could be chasing, but my time would be wasted. They got nothing on you, baby. Nothing on you, baby.
Parang gusto mo na yung next ko.
Hindi, ikaw. Sige.
Ako nga.
Sige ko nga.
And I said hi, and now I said hey. You shouldn't worry about what they say, 'cause they got nothing on you, baby. Nothing on you.